I made using JavaScript, ES6 for front end, and a Ruby on Rails API for the backend. This is a single page application that utilizes RESTful API design principles. It also allows a person to keep track of all the recipes they have tried and which ones they want to try. So I guess let's dive in and get right into it. So first thing you notice is right when you go to the home page, it's a single page application, so everything you need is right here. It basically has a flexbox design pattern using CSS. Pretty easy to do. There we go. We got it to respond there. Pretty easy to do, but as you can see, it makes a nice little layout and individual cards for each one. It is an object-oriented design pattern, so if we take a look at my adapter class, which does all of the asynchronous fetches, you can see that it is a class with a constructor, and inside of that I set a little piece of state, which is the base URL where I'm fetching from, which in this case is my API backend. I set some headers as well, just some basic headers, but then you can fetch recipes, which responds to a get, a patch, a post, and a delete, depending on the body and ID of what we're deleting. So yeah, as you can see, object-oriented design for all these fetch requests, and you'll see that throughout my other code as well inside of my other JS files. So if we were to basically create a new recipe, it would look like this. Tuna sandwich. There we go. Cooking time 10 minutes, and then we hit create. Pops right on here. Obviously you could add the ingredients and things like that. Let's say we wanted to try that. You hit that, it changes to try. We can also edit the recipe, and then we can also delete it if we don't want it anymore. So as you can see, this is calling on Rails RESTful API. So we have an API version 1 recipes, and it's just pulling all the information through here. This API responds to, I think I said it before, a get, a post, a patch, and a delete HTTP requests. But yeah, other than that, I really built this for myself. I do a lot of cooking for my wife. Sometimes she likes things, sometimes she doesn't. But I like to include this recipes inside of here. Look at this one. This is obviously dummy data, but it's 12 teaspoons of kangaroo. That always cracks me up. Anyways, yeah, so kind of funky ingredients on this one in particular. But yeah, I built this for me and my wife, so that way I can keep track of kind of recipes that I've had and recipes that I've tried. All right, well, thanks for watching. I do have a couple more of these videos out. If you want to watch them, that'd be awesome. Go ahead and click around. I'm sure you can find them. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and until next time, we'll talk to you soon.